Hello, my name is Aryaman Gehlot and I am a student of class 12 Commerce. Today I will thank God for whatever He gave to me in my life, and I request you all to take only 5 minutes in a day and thank Him for whatever He gave to you in your life. Lord, thank you for your abundant grace. Thank you that we not have to earn a drop of mighty river that freely flows for all of us today. Thank you for unexpected, unmerited favor you have showered on my life. Help me put myself in the path of your love and grace. Help me not to neglect the discipline that I require to meet you daily and to drink the water of the life. Thank you for your rich love, God.
Hello everyone, I am Bhumika. I am teaching chemistry in Don Bosco Academy. I am pleased to announce that Don Bosco Academy has organized an event on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers are always our mentors. They guide us to improve. They help us to become a good human being. In this event, our students are showing their gratitude, their love and respect for the teachers. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Raghavendra Bankar, student of class 12 science. I am here in Don Bosco Academy, Alirajpur since my early childhood. This journey was of about 13 years, which was very amazing. This journey was amazing because of my teachers and management staff. The teachers provided me education as well as taught many life lessons which will be helpful in my further life. I want to thank my teachers for their hard work that they did for me. And after my school journey, I will be missing my school as well as my teacher. Once again, thank you all the teachers for their hard work. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, myself Tanashi Gupta from Standard 11 Science. Happy Teachers Day. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child whereas teacher mold that child's personality and provide them a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate and inspire to become a better human being. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts which each one of us will provide them back into this society. I would like to extend my gratitude towards every teacher for their selfless service and dynamic support. We are grateful to you. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
A teacher is a person who surrounds her students with inspiration to learn again every day. To the most special teacher who always understood me, supported me, mentored me and helped me face the toughest time of my life, sending my love and lots of wishes on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Everyone who remembers his own education remembers teacher, not the method and techniques. Teacher is heart of education system. The children you teach may not remember you when they grow older, but they will always have a part of you inside them, the part that will give them hope and love to build themselves and recreate themselves inside them. Thank you so much on this Teachers' Day. I am wishing you a happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers of my school, Don Bosco Academy, Alirajpur. On 5th September, every year we celebrate Teachers' Day on honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Today I am building houses because of element of force that you literally forced me to study.
Teachers are like magicians who use their magical pens to help us and make our life easier and more peaceful.
Not everyone has patience of saint, a heart of gold and dedication without end, but you do, which is why I just wanted to let you all know that you all are appreciated.
Without you, we would have been lost.
Thank you teachers for guiding us,
Inspiring us and make what
what we are today.
A graceful and warm morning to all. I am Mrs. Sandhya Ram Prasad Pandey, Coordinator of Higher Secondary. An event of this dimension can't happen overnight and needs meticulous planning and execution. So I thank Teacher Bhumika for her hard work. I thank dear students who expressed their love to teachers in different ways. Thank you Arman for your prayer and Raghavendra, Namrata, Tamanna, Tanakshi for their beautiful words. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Teachers plant a seeds of knowledge which will grow forever.
So by this video, our children has shown their love for teachers.
Thank you so much. Stay tuned.